A previously created car make and model can be used when creating a car profile. The car make and model will be displayed in the drop-down list. You can also set a rental rate for this model. In order to do this, navigate to the fleet level, go to the finance section, then to the cooperation and bonuses section, and select the rent tab. To be able to set a rent price for a new car model, the fleet must have at least one car of this model. There are two fields available to set the price. The first is for short-term rent, and the second is for long-term. They work as follows. When you create an event in the calendar, provided that its duration is less than 7 days, the system will automatically suggest a price based on the short-term rental rate. For events in the calendar with a duration of 7 days or more, the system will offer the cost based on the long-term rental rate.